Okay, batiin ko lang ng advance happy birthday yung isang tropa, no, si JB Bulling o si Jeff Bulling sa December 21. So yan ha, December 21. So at least hindi naman masyado, although maaga pa rin kasi baka makalimutan ko no. Mabuti na yung hanggat naalala mabati na kita ng advance kasi yun lang naman ang maibibigay natin. So more power to you, more birthdays to come, God bless, and sana you are fulfilled in teaching volleyball and inspiring future journalist, no? Kasi nagtuturo ka ata ng school journalism sa school mo ngayon. So God bless you and your family, and sana mas lalo ka pang gumaling at mas lalo ka pang maraming matutunan. And of course, enjoy playing sports. Na alam ko namang nag-e-enjoy ka. Tsaka, regards na lang ako doon sa pinsan mong pogi kaya Mark Alan Ronquillo. Okay? So, yun lang pa.